Guys, today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to try and do mini twists on my own hair for the very first time. Now, I've been watching some videos online, and the first step they said was braid your whole head. So as you can see, I have braided all of my hair right now. And I used Africa's Best leave-in conditioner to help my hair be more conditioned and moist as I braided. And I also used Shine and Jam when braiding my hair, and I'll be using it throughout the course of this experience to have a smoother transition with my natural hair and the hair extensions. Now, the hair extensions I used are Springy Twist in 24 inches, and I cut them in half, separated them into sections, and I'll only use one little piece of extension per braid. And what I do is I'll just braid my hair from a 3-strand twist into a 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to insert the hair extension into that 2-strand twist and just twist it in just like that. Now, I thought it would be much more difficult to do, but since we're using hair extensions that match our hair, it's very easy to get a consistent blend, and the hair blends out so perfectly. Guys, I thought it would be way more difficult than this. I've been trying to braid my hair doing knotless braids, but mini twists are way easier for beginners, and I actually had a pretty fun time braiding my hair. It only took me about 6.5 hours to do, and this is what the final look looks like. Now, I usually wear my hair up in a ponytail, so I didn't really care how the parting was, but it worked out so well, and I was really impressed with my first time results. So thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you guys have the courage and bravery to try this at home.